Did you actually think you will like your ugly red hair, but?
You psycho.
12 o'clock at night.
I think they left.
He's mine. Hey, kiddo.
Big Sissy, I have a question. Why were you home so late?
Just business. Also, kiddo, you should head to bed. It's almost 1 o'clock in morning.
Night, Sissy. Love you.